Alright, so I bought this. I'm very excited about it. It's Oculus Quest 2. And I just picked it up from Best Buy. Ready to do some VR. So anyway, I wanted to record me unboxing it because I'm gonna unbox it anyway. And I figured maybe someone will want an unboxing video. So this is the front. Nothing on that side. Here's the back. It's got some games. Beatsaber, that's the one. And then my name. And it looks like warnings and whatnot. Okay. I got the 64GB version. So it's got a little arrow here. Oh, that's fancy. Wasn't expecting that. Maybe I don't need the box cutter. No, I'm not good at these things. Just gonna move that aside for now. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Okay. So, I did that. I think this is a cover that should slide off. I don't know how to open packaging. Don't make fun of me. Alright, so it is. Oh boy, it's the moment of truth. Ooh. Wow. Nice. This is an interesting box. So it has this little box. There's a little ooh. Oh, there's a charger. And I wonder what this little booklet is. Probably instructions, I would assume. Reference guide and the safety and warranty guide. Alright, so there's this neat little guide. Safety and warning guide is very lengthy, it seems, for a little book, but it's in different languages, so that, yeah, it's in a bunch of different languages. So I'll put this back. This is we live our life on the edge here on this channel. And the reference guide comes out like this, like a reference guide usually does. Quick start. I have to pull some tabs off or something. Oh, adjust the strap things. I don't know. Lens adjustments. The lenses have 3 positions. Move lenses left or right to find the clearest view. Interesting. I didn't know that. Care and cleaning. It doesn't say anything. It's like no direct sunlight, I think is what that means. I don't know. Don't expose lenses to direct sunlight. Clean with microfiber cloth. Never use strong solvents or alcohol cleaners. Oh, my friend messed up there, but he did not read this. So there's a back adjustment, facial interface protection, power button, top adjustment, audio jack, and volume control. Touch controllers, there's left and right. They have action buttons, thumbstick, menu button, trigger, grip button, battery cover, wrist straps, thumb rest, and the Oculus button. And there's the app, which I already got because I was way too excited. And that's really all that's in this little guide. It's nice, straight to the point. It didn't tell me if I have to charge it first, which I don't know. I'm assuming I probably will have to. Glasses spacer. Ooh, I do wear glasses. Goes before the pad. It looks like I have to take the pad off first. Okay. Move lenses left or right to find the clearest view. Okay, it says it again in this little tag thing. This just comes right off. I don't think there's anything underneath this. It's just, yeah. They have these little covers on them. On left and right. Oh, I see. Okay, and then in the middle there's a dial. It says the numbers 1 through 3 when you move it. So that's nice. Move it to 2, I guess. Well, nice. I don't know if I should put the spacer in or not. I think I should probably try it without first, maybe? Or, I mean, I guess I don't see why not. I don't know. It says that it comes off. Looks like there's a little thingy in the bottom. I wish there was words, because it just has a little picture. It just says, oh boy. A little picture. Oh. Oh, this has a thing on it. That's neat. Very nice, very nice. Okay, now how do I take this off? Does this whole part come out, or what are we looking at here? It looks like it does. Oh, it does. Okay. I'm afraid to untop it from the top. But I got this off. It does come off. Now we are taking this tag off. Alright. We got it off. Now I will put it in here. It says put this back in first. I feel like I should have removed the strap, but that clicked in nicely. Nice. Then we put this back on. And I think it should be fine without, if you don't have, I don't know. It's on now, so that's all that matters. Okay, so this is set up. I don't want to take these off the lenses yet. No liquid cleaners. It says no liquid cleaners and no sunlight on lenses. And that's what it says. It says it in a bunch of different languages. Okay. Now this has little tabs at the bottom that said to pull out. It says right there in step 1. Just like this. Pull. Okay, I did it. That was simple. And it's got the little wrist strap. And then this one shows that it's the right-handed one. And it doesn't look like there's any protective stickers on anything else on it. It's a little dusty. Interesting. Now, where did this... Okay. How did this go in like this? There we go. Got it. Okay. Let's do it to this one. This is the left one. It's a nice tug. Take this left hand sticker off. So we know it's the left hand because the little trigger button goes in your thumb. Little thing, and then yeah, and then we'll take that off. It looks like we are ready to go, and that's about it. Pretty simple, which I have used my friends, and it was pretty nice, so I'm sure I will like it a lot. No water, no stuff. Taking them off now because it's game time. Game time. Game on, gamers. Game on. Alright, thanks for watching.